In the previous video on the channel, we discussed about the benefits of a diffuser at home. Do you watch the video yet? If not, please watch the video. Do you know that not only your body that needs a touch of perfume? Applying a good scent to your home or a special ambient will make your days even better and refreshing. According to some reports, chemicalized air fresheners can cause big damages to health. And some reports have even associated them with cancer. So, in today's video, you will get to know how to make an amazing natural diffuser by using only fruit peels. I hope you enjoying this video? Then, what about giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends? Kindly subscribe to my channel. Do you know that fruit you ate at breakfast? Or as a dessert after lunch? You can use these peels to make a wonderful, natural air freshener. Isn't it amazing? Let's know how to make it. Note down the ingredients: lemon, orange or mandarin peels, 1/4 cup rubbing alcohol, 3/4 cup water, 20 to 25 drops of your favorite essential oil, 1 glass container with a small opening, 10 to 15 wooden sticks. To make your natural air freshener, start with putting the peels, clean and chopped, inside the glass container. Add lukewarm water and alcohol. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Then, add the essential oil and gently shake the bottle to mix all the ingredients. Now keep the wooden sticks and place your natural diffuser wherever you want. And it's ready. You can create many diffusers over your house to have a nice and welcoming atmosphere, and attract good energies and a beautiful smell. It is very easy and cheap to make these natural air fresheners. Remember, you should change the liquid every 30 days. And, if you wish, you can also add some aromatic herbs or spices, such as basil, rosemary, cinnamon, cloves, and others. They have unique characteristics that will make your air freshener smell even better. So, did you like this? Do it and share your experiences with us. Comment below please. Kindly subscribe to my channel.